Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. What I have for you today is a way to eliminate the factory resonator using the Flowmaster Resonator-Delete. This kit was intended to use with the Flowmaster axle-back system to replace the flattened section of the factory system. And it is constructed out of 3-inch 409 tubing to help maximize exhaust scavenging. This version of the kit is intended for the 2016 to 2020 Camaro SS and ZL1 with the manual transmission. Today I will be installing it on a 2017 Camaro that already has the Flowmaster axleback, and once installed we will have a whole new sound to that exhaust system. We can start by removing the 5 13mm bolts holding the cross brace in place and set it aside for later. We are going to remove the O2 sensor to prevent any damage to it, since we are going to have to loosen the exhaust to let it hang low enough so we can make the cuts needed. Using a 15mm socket, we can remove the 2 nuts holding the exhaust pipe in place on the passenger side. On the driver's side, we will simply loosen the clamp holding the system in place. Moving to the back side of the exhaust, we're going to have to remove the 2 rubber hangers, one on each side of the factory pipe. Then we can loosen and slide the clamps holding the axleback system out of the way. To fit the Flowmaster pipe in place, we are going to have to cut the welds and remove the factory connection brace. With this brace out of the way, we will have to grind down any remaining material left behind. Doing this will allow the Flowmaster system to slide far enough forward for correct positioning. With the brace out of the way, we can mark the cut point. We are going to measure 7 inches forward from the front side of the flex joint. Now we're going to cut the system using caution that we will not damage any other lines that are in the same area. Once cut, we can remove the factory X-pipe and the crush section of the exhaust system. Going back together, we will simply install the Flowmaster Scavenger assembly and make all the proper connections, making sure our tips are lined up. There you have it, guys. The Flowmaster Resonator-Delete kit is now installed. Now we can just sit back and listen to the new sound of our exhaust. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.